Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at the K160 laptop. I've already created an unboxing video, but in this video I'm just giving you a quick overview of how the thing works. As you can see, super attractive and elegant laptop is like the best part of it all. Super fast recognition, and it really does enhance this laptop. You can bend this screen a whole 180 degrees. So take a look at that. You can basically like lay it out on your lap and just watch movies on it. Basically use it however you like. The back is nice and clean metallic finish, which looks super nice that there's no logos or anything like that. And then on the bottom here, you've got the speaker grill. You've also got these two kind of modules here you can unscrew and probably like switch out components super easily. So I really like the responsiveness of this thing. I really like how vivid the display is. And overall, just a super attractive laptop. It's got Intel inside, so it's got some decent components inside, not gonna lie. And I'll just bring this with me wherever I go, wherever I want to get work done. Thanks for watching.